today is another good vision day. I'm kind of surprised because I didn't get any sleep at all. I uh, I went to bed like I, I want to say around 12, like midnight, and I woke up at 3 and could not go back to sleep at all. Um, and then around, I want to say, so around 3, I woke up, could not go to sleep, and I just worked on like a bunch of, I have many projects happening, so that's usually how I just spend my time if I can't sleep. I just think and, work on those projects. So I did that until maybe around 9 o'clock. And that's when I tried to, get up and go and shower and do all that stuff. But by that time, I was all the way out of energy, but still, up. This medication, the steroids, I think, from what I remember, they release cortisol or some hormone that's supposed to keep you up. So the steroids themselves, they fight your sleep. And what's worse is I've been taking the steroids a lot, later and later. I used to take them at 6 a.m. in the morning, and then it was 7, and then it was 8, and then it's 9, and now I take them at 10:30 in the morning. So I think that's making it a little worse. On top of the fact that, the day before, I had slept so much. Yeah. So yesterday I stayed up till late last night talking to a good friend, a good new friend. Hi, GP. Um, and I think staying up late, kind of threw off the rhythm, but it's okay. Um, it's okay. I'm still in a good mood. You know why? I wanted to actually I didn't think I was going to do a diary today, but I wanted to record this, for myself as well, because despite all of the exhaustion, from not sleeping, I've been trying to sleep. I've been laying down and just being today I'm not doing anything, but I can't. I'm still awake. Um, Despite all that, I've been walking around and I just experienced I don't know how else to describe it, but wonder. Because my eye will clear up and it will feel like a blind man seeing again. Um, and I'll be walking around the house and then I just see, see the window out there and I just stand there for 3 seconds, I can see it. And then, it will go away. And so I've been kind of, I don't know, I'm I was hesitant to, like, this is why I want to talk about it, because I'm is it sleep deprivation? It can't be, because it's happening right now. Occasionally I look and I'm just it clears up and I'm oh my God. I have vision. Um, so I am wondering if that's what I'm going to be feeling for the next few months. Just wonder as the vision opens up. I So the sun is blinding me a little bit, but I was also just yeah, let me move over here. Um, yes, so uh, I don't know. I I'm in a great mood. I really am. So yeah, I didn't sleep today. Not as well as I had hoped. I've been trying to take the naps, but my vision is doing great. It's doing a lot better, and it's doing better in such a way that I'm a little bit like a little kid. It's yeah. Um, so yeah, I don't know. This is gonna be a pretty short one, and I honestly just came here to play the guitar and saw the sun, and the sun felt nice. And was like, let me just do a quick diary for myself as well. Um, just to capture the feeling that I've been having all day. Like I've been listening to music all day. It's felt good. Like I just had my headphones on over like, going around the house, literally dancing because like I would look out and just get the sense of wonder, the happy feeling because I'm like looking out and I'm just seeing. I don't. Oh my god. Like I don't know. I wish you could experience it for yourself. Um, but yeah, I really hope that I really hope that this is what is going to happen. And some of the people I've been speaking to have been, mentioning like, like 12 weeks in, or, 16 weeks, not weeks, month, is it weeks or months? But when they get further along, sometimes they'll wake up in the middle of the night and then they'll be able to see in the middle of the night. Um, and they just be like, "Oh my God, I can see the painting," and then it would go away for a little bit. And when they were first telling me that, I didn't fully understand, but now I think I do. Cause like right now, I can see, I can see the preview. Like, it's blowing my mind. Like it's, oh my God, and then I blink and it's gone. Like. Ah, man. Yeah, yeah. So, I'm gonna be in here playing the guitar. Um, and yeah, we'll talk soon. Bye.